We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay requires iCloud sign in. First thing you need to do is check that you are signed in to iCloud on your device with a valid ID because Apple Pay requires iCloud to verify your identity and sync your cards. Next, open the Settings app and ensure iCloud Drive is enabled and that your Apple ID is properly authenticated. Then confirm your device is updated to the latest iOS version and has a stable internet connection. After that, restart your iPhone and try opening the wallet app again to see if the Apple Pay works. Also, make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode settings are enabled for Apple Pay authentication. And if the issue persists, sign out of iCloud and sign in back carefully. Then contact Apple support for further assistance if needed. So that's it.